As you can guess, this is a tea kettle and we are in a restaurant.
Yes.
And here's a kitchen where they're making all kinds of food. And it feels so warm in here. But we're going to go outside for a second because there's some interesting things to see.
Yes.
What are some things we'll see outside?
There's a beautiful nature.
You can hear the sound.
Here we can see everything in Peru. And here is the Vanchu River. It's the longest river in Tajikistan.
It's actually the Gun. This is actually the Gun River. This is the Gun. The Ganj is over there. And there's more water today, I think, and it's moving very fast. But I want to show over here so you know how cold it is. Where the water is not moving, it is frozen as ice. Because the temperature now is probably -5. And last night the temperature was -15 or 20. So you can see here the water is frozen. But where the water is moving fast, it doesn't freeze. And what is this thing? Who can tell me what this thing is?
Here is the bridge and...
A bridge for what?
Here is Palmicen.
But it's not for cars, no. It's for
people.
For people, yes. How many bridges are there in Jorog?
4 maybe.
3 or 4.
Yes.
2 of them are for people
Yes.
only, and then 1 of them are for cars.
Cars and people.
And again, we can see over here the sun, and as you can tell, in another video I mentioned that sometimes there are 3 or 4 or 5 sunrises and sunsets. Even though now it's about 12 o'clock, you can see here the sun, and to the left is the mountain. And we had a very brief sunset about half an hour ago. The sun went behind the mountain, and it came out again. This was probably the 4th sunrise today. And you can see how tall these mountains are by looking at the clouds. Look. On the bottom we see trees, then we see clouds, and then we see mountains. Jorog is a really beautiful and special place. You can see how clean the water is. And what does the air smell like here?
It's fresh.
It's fresh, it's clean, it smells like air.
Yes.
It does not smell like pollution. It does not smell like cars or factories. It feels good to smell the air. It's all very, very clean.
The weather is just